Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to connect Bamboo P1S to a computer USB and network connection setup guide. Step 1. Connect the P1S to Wi-Fi. First turn on the P1S printer and on the printer screen go to settings then go to network. From there select your 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz Wi-Fi network. The P1S supports both bands. Now enter the Wi-Fi password and connect, then wait until the printer shows it is connected to the network. Step 2. Bind the printer to your Bambu Lab account. Install and open the Bamboo Handy app on your phone. Then sign in with your Bamboo Lab account and on the P1S open settings, then go to account to display the QR code. Now in the Bamboo Handy app, tap devices, then add printer. Then scan the QR code shown on the printer and confirm the binding on both the phone and the printer. Step 3. Install Bamboo Studio. Download and install Bamboo Studio from the official website Bamboo Studio Download. Then open Bamboo Studio and sign in using the same Bamboo Lab account that you used in the Bamboo Handy app. Step 4. Connect the printer to your computer. Open the device tab in Bamboo Studio. Your P1S should appear automatically. Then select the printer to complete the connection. You can now monitor the printer, send print jobs, and view the built-in camera if available. Step 5. Print your first model. Import an STL or 3MF file into Bamboo Studio. Now select Bamboo Lab P1S as the printer, then click Slice Plate and then Print Plate. Now choose your P1S and start the print. Thanks for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.